Hello everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. We're just going to dive into hot right now. Get a lot of questions. Should I buy hot? Should I get involved in hot? And I'm gonna lay down some truths for you. Okay, this is a weekly time frame. At the moment, on the weekly time frame, you're starting to go parabolic. So this is parabolic. Okay, when you start to go up like that. So you don't want to see that. Okay, in any project, you don't want to be buying into any project. If you're buying into any project, you want it to be buying in down there. Okay, when it did start to go parabolic. So the truthful is. Okay, I'm not going to lie to you. You are looking at a bit of a blow off top here. You're looking at a consolidation event for Holo. You're looking at these EMAs going to creep up on the weekly and on the daily as well, curl over like that. You're going to get a level of consolidation, just like you did here. Okay, you see this level of consolidation where you form this bull pennant on the weekly time frame. You did move up in another real big pump there for Holo chain since the previous level of consolidation, which was down there, okay, from your breakout down there. And you can see that when you went up, you met your targets, and to be fair, you have got a little bit overextended from where you broke out, and that's basically how it works. Okay, so what you are looking at here, from a technical point of view, this is how we do it on the channel. You broke out just there. Okay, that was your peak. That's where you should have hit a level of consolidation. You can see at the moment hot is actually got overextended. Okay, and you can see it's got overextended as well. I'm going to be truthful with you. I could tell you it's going to the moon and going up here, but I want to deliver information and be truthful and honest with you in this channel. This is what I do. If you want to become a member of this community and get involved, you just ask anybody in the CoinsKid community there in the Telegram group. This is what we do. We tell you the truth. We're not like the moon boys on YouTube there, getting to put loads of money in and get burnt as it goes up and consolidates and comes back down, and it looks like it's going to oblivion, and you end up selling at a loss. So what you can expect with Holo chain, or hot, sorry. Okay, great project, going really, really well. But you know what? If it continues to go up like that, that's parabolic, and it will have a massive blow off top. And you're buying up here, you're going to be left bag holding. Okay, and I don't, if you want to become a member of my community, I don't want anyone in my community to get burnt like that. I'm trying to deliver them a message in this space, in this crypto space. I don't want anyone to get burnt in this space. Okay, I don't want anyone to be left bag holding in this space. It's not financial advice. You do with this information what you want, but I'm just trying to deliver a message to you. Okay, take that as you will. I could potentially be wrong. And Holo just keeps going here, and we've missed the boat, and we've missed these future gains, and that is a probability as well, because everything's a probability. Okay, but what we do, we try to look at technical analysis and deliver you the truth. So just here, I've got people in the channel saying, should I buy hot? Should I buy hot? I would never tell anyone to buy hot at this point. Okay, wait for this pullback, which is coming. You can see in these candles here, it's forming. It's starting to look like it's hit some kind of top, and it's going to roll over and hit a level of consolidation. And you can see that from this pattern here, from the breakout of its previous level of consolidation, this is called a flagpole. Okay, this is a flagpole. This is a bull pennant, and your target, is there. So you can see it's already got been overextended. So what you are potentially looking at is now a rollover, coming back to this line here, acting as support, and potentially, over the next couple of weeks, you could potentially be looking at another bull pennant being formed here, okay, which would give you another target. So what you're looking at is a level of consolidation in here, and a tightening range, and a bull pennant testing this support line now, which is currently at that level there, 007. You see that pullback, see that correction, see that consolidation before it takes the next leg up. Don't get me wrong, hot's really bullish, and then you would be looking, again, wherever it breaks out, you would be looking at that target there. So say you experience a couple of weeks consolidation, and then hot started to break out, you would be looking at that target there. Okay, and that would allow these EMAs here to creep up, catch up with the price action, and start forming a more of a relatively healthy chart. Okay, and that's what you want to see. I'm not going to lie to you, that's what you want to see. You want to see that level of consolidation before you do take that next leg up, because if it goes super parabolic and starts to go vertical like that, rolls over, and the crash, the crash is down, and it happens so quickly. If it corrected down here now, if it went up any more, okay, if it didn't hit this level of consolidation and went up and got to this level here, you would be looking at a whopping 80% correction down to this 55 EMA on the weekly time frame. And that's what happens in a parabolic move. When it goes up so vertical, it just blows off, and everyone starts selling, cascade of selling, and because what happens is everyone sees it selling, and it just creates a level and a high level of selling. Everyone's just trying to get out, and then a crash comes. Okay, So you need to see these levels of creeping up like this, consolidation, going up, consolidation, go up again, consolidation, and go, you know, and trade responsibly and get involved responsibly. So that's basically it for HOT. It's just a quick, you know, video, guys, to say I am expecting a level of consolidation. I am expecting a pullback from this high. You know, you have hit that high there now for HOT. And personally, I don't think you'll beat that in the current time frame. I think you're looking at a couple of weeks, you know, to a few days at least of consolidation going sideways, you know, coming back down, potentially testing this high where exactly it should have got to, because it's got overextended. And you can see in the RSI there, if you look at the RSI, guys, you know, this is called the RSI, and you can see on the weekly time frame here, on a weekly time frame, you've got something called a bearish divergence. Okay, so you've got the price action, you've got a high there, and then you've basically made a lower high. But in the price here, you've got a high, which is this level here, and then you've made a higher high. So that is an indicative of a rollover. So and at that point, you know, when you do see these divergences, you do tend to see this RSI start to roll over into this purple box, and then you see the price roll over as well. So you've got that confluence there. You've got the confluence of the fact that it's got overextended from its breakout position, which was the flagpole of the previous bull pennant. So yeah, it is overextended, you know, and I would not be telling anyone to buy in at this point. You know, I don't give financial advice, you know, and I'm not telling you to sell, but I'm just saying, if you're not involved in HOT at the moment, you know, then do tread with caution. So that's basically HOT and Holo chain. You know, it is, you know, that's the potential target, which is a nice appreciation. Even from this, you know, level now, you are looking at another 50% trade there for HOT, and that's good. That's good for any trade. So yeah, good. It is a good project, and it is going up, and it is in a bull market, and it is performing really well. But, you know, from a technical analysis standpoint, okay, you are looking at a level of consolidation, a bit of cool off. So, you know, if you oscillate for that, wait for that level of consolidation, that pullback, which may not come, but, you know, we are anticipating that in the channel. We are going to be truthful with you. You know, it's got a bit overextended and it's looking to cool down, especially on a weekly time frame here. You would be looking at a 20% pullback to this particular target here. And then if you was to sort of eye that as an entry point there, you could potentially be looking at the next impulsive wave up there to that target. And that is an 85% trade there for HOT. So that could work out really well. I don't give financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. All I'm doing is painting a picture and, you know, and helping you and give you as much truthful and honest information as I possibly can here in the channel. You know, I do see a lot of videos on HOT and saying it's going to $1, and come on, guys, that's unrealistic at the moment. You know, okay, it might go to $1, you know, but it's not going to go there overnight. Okay, it's going to take a long time. That's almost a 99x from here. You can see it's already gone up a whopping 13x since it formed the bull cross down here. Okay, you know, in February it's already gone up a massive 13x since then. It's doing really well. A 99x from this point would just be super parabolic in it. It's not realistic. Okay, so we do try to deliver realistic price targets and realistic support targets and fallback targets and entry targets in this channel. So, you know, if you're not involved in HOT, you know, and you're looking to get involved, then this is a really good price entry there. You know, not financial advice, but do target that level, do target this test of support here, because potentially you may see that fallback, which is 20% correction from this price here, and you may see that, and that may end up being a really nice entry for an 85% trade on the next impulsive wave. So I do hope you enjoyed that video. You know, stay safe, stay strong, do get involved in the channel there on CoinsKid community in the Telegram group, and do again subscribe to the channel, and please do like the video as well, and share on social media and share where you can. We are building a fantastic community here in CoinsKid, and we're trying to deliver a truthful, honest message, okay, to everyone getting involved in crypto, because we know it's so volatile. You know, we do see a lot of YouTubers saying, you know, 1 million X and stuff like that. You know, it's just, anyway, take care all, bye bye.